Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll tell you how to prepare for IELTS, what are all the resources you should be using, and how I managed to score 7.5 band by preparing only for a week or 8 days. So firstly, I had a 7.5 overall score in IELTS, 8 in the reading, 6.5 in writing, 7.5 in speaking and listening. So coming to the resources, I'll share my screen and I'll show you all the resources, and I'll tell you why I was able to score 7.5 within just 7 or 8 days. It was because I was already preparing for GRE for 40 to 50 days. So I've been in touch with all the English vocabulary and with that subject. So I did not want to lose all the vocabulary before I give my IELTS exam. So what I did was, just after my GRE exam, I took just 1 week gap so that I can just give 4 or 5 mocks. So I registered my IELTS exam date exactly after 8 to 10 days after my GRE exam, so that I'll be having around 8 to 9 days to prepare, 7 to 8 days to prepare for the exam. So I'll recommend you to do that. And if you're not giving GRE, if you're going for any other country apart from US, just take a 2-week preparation time for IELTS. If you're preparing for more than 2 weeks, you're just not doing it right. It's not worth it. And so coming to the exam, about the exam. First, before studying for the exam, I recommend you to study about the exam. So go to the official IELTS website. If you're giving IDP, go to the IDP website, and if you're giving British Council, go to that. I personally gave IDP because IDP exam center was very closer to my house. So go to this website and see how they grade your individual sections. This is the writing part. So if you need writing part band 9, you should fulfill all these requirements. You should be you should have wide range of structures, and you should have perfect grammar. You should organize it perfectly. So there are some points it's necessary for you to read in order to get a 9 band. If you don't know how they are grading, and how can you just write something you have in your mind? So go to this website. This is about only writing task 1 and writing task 2. I recommend you to see for everything. See for listening, see for reading, see for writing, see for speaking, what they are expecting from a candidate, and how they are grading. After this, you should be doing the first day all of it. Just study about the exam. Don't go to the resources. And coming to the listening and reading part, there's nothing to prepare for listening and reading specifically. So just go onto the website IELTS Online Test and log in with your Gmail or create an account in it, and then start giving mocks of listening and reading, because this website has every IELTS test which happened in the last month or before months. So this is the February ones. You can just go down and find out January and March ones as well. So go and give this mock test. Believe me, this will help you. These are very accurate. These are very closer to the original IELTS exam. So listening and reading is completed by you. Coming to the speaking part, there is a PDF. I'll add this in the description. Go ahead, and before even starting your speaking practice, go and read this PDF completely. It has around 82 questions of what IELTS examiner can ask you, and they have given an optimum answer, like what is the way to answer certain questions. So they gave around examples, 80 question examples. Go and read this. I recommend not to by heart it, but just remember, just see how they are answering it, like what are all the points they are using, how much they are digressing from the main topic. Because if you digress more, you lose points, and if you don't digress, you won't get much content to speak about. So by reading these answers and questions, you'll get to know how much you can digress from the main topic, main question. So go read this, and after doing this, find a friend who is also preparing for IELTS, and just video call them and ask them to volunteer. You ask some questions, and they'll be asking another set of questions, and try answering it. If you're not able to find any IELTS preparation buddy or partner, go in front of a mirror, start speaking, note down some questions before that, start speaking. Believe me, that worked for me. And coming to the writing part, go to the IELTS website, again official website. See, there are examples of 9 band and 8 band samples. Go and read them, see how they are organizing, check with the instructions of every section. Like for example, coming to the IELTS writing task 1, there is an instruction that minimum words should be above than minimum words is 150, which means if you don't write 150 words for the first section, you lose points. So try writing 170 to 220 words. Don't cross 220. It will be very big. The IELTS task 1, writing task 1 is only 30% of writing score. So don't spend much time on it. Coming to the writing part 2, the minimum words you should be writing is 250. So I recommend you to write anywhere around 270 to 320. Don't cross 320. It will be clumsy and very big. So that's it. I guess now you can prepare on your own. Just go give mocks for 7 to 8 days, and if you feel like 7 to 8 days preparation is not satisfied, if you don't feel satisfied, just go spend another 5 to 10 days. Again, not more than 2 weeks, or at max 3 weeks is the optimum time to prepare for IELTS. I'll recommend not to prepare more than that, because in 20 days I'm pretty sure, even if you're not preparing for GR, even if you don't have any wide range of vocabulary, you can learn it. So that's it. Go book your test, give your exam, and score good. So all the best, and see you in the next one. Bye.